Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to bring you another practical Windows tutorial today to boost your gaming performance. In this video, we're diving into how to enable game mode on Windows 11, a feature that optimizes your PC for gaming by prioritizing resources, reducing lag, and improving frame rates. It's perfect for gamers who want a smoother experience without tweaking advanced settings. We'll go through the setup step by step. I'll show you how to turn it on, and I'll share some tips for the best results. So let's enable game mode together. Stick with me for this gaming tutorial. Alright, let's get started with optimizing your gaming. First, open the Settings app, press Windows key to launch it quickly. Then tap Game Mode Settings on the right. Toggle on Game Mode. The switch will turn blue to confirm it's active. This prioritizes your games automatically. Click Graphics Settings below, then tap Add Desktop App. Select your game's executable file like eFootball and click Add. Tap your game in the list. Click Options and set Graphics Preference to High Performance. Launch your game. Press Windows key and G to open the game bar and confirm game mode is on in the settings there. A tip: if game mode doesn't improve performance, ensure background apps are closed. Go to Task Manager and end unnecessary tasks. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments which game you optimized. I'd love to hear your gaming setup. See you in the next video.